Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Let's take a journey into the world of the upcoming Carnival Jubilee, a remarkable ship currently being built in Germany and set to make its debut in December. Here's everything we know about this incredible ship so far, its features, and its planned itineraries. The third ship in the XL class. The Carnival Jubilee will be the third ship in Carnival's XL class, which includes the Mardi Gras, launched in 2020, and the Carnival Celebration, launched in 2022. This ship will offer both new features and some familiar attractions from its sister ships, the Mardi Gras and Carnival Celebration, and will be slightly larger than its counterparts, with a capacity for 5,400 passengers. New zones inspired by the sea. The Carnival Jubilee is not only bringing back popular features from its sister ships, but also introducing two new zones called Currents and the Shores. These zones are inspired by the ocean and offer a range of fun experiences, including unique bars and dining options. Currents. Dive into the ocean. Currents, located on decks 6 and 7, is a space that immerses guests in an underwater world. It features innovative technology, live music, and new bar and dining options. As you enter Currents, prepare to be transported to enchanting underwater realms. This space undergoes a magical transformation from day to night, all throughout your cruise. The heart of Currents lies in its Windows to the Sea, 6 generous LED windows that, combined with a wave-shaped LED ceiling, captivating theatrical lighting, and a mesmerizing soundscape, create a multitude of immersive atmospheres. Here, you can savor new cocktails and dishes in an unforgettable setting. Among the intriguing additions to Currents, you'll find Dr. Ink's, Ph.D., a bar adorned with 8 clever octopus arms serving up one-of-a-kind ocean-inspired beverages. And don't miss the Golden Mermaid, a cocktail lounge home to a mysterious mermaid and live musical performances. The Shores. Embrace the seaside. Situated on Deck 8, The Shores is a captivating zone that draws inspiration from the pleasures of coastal living, embracing the charm of piers, boardwalks, and sandy shores. Carnival has infused this venue with a touch of whimsy, adorning it with playful elements, including a ceiling reminiscent of a Ferris wheel. Inside and out, you'll find relaxed seating areas that invite you to unwind and enjoy the coastal ambiance. Guests can enjoy pizza at Coastal Slice or try a sandwich or hot dog at Beach Buns. The zone also features the Marina Bar, designed with nautical inspiration and comfortable lounge seating inside or outside by the sea. The Carnival Jubilee brings back signature features from the XL class, including the Bolt Ultimate Sea Coaster, a thrilling roller coaster that races above the sea at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. The allure of the XL class continues with the return of summer landings, featuring a refreshing pool, and the Heroes Tribute Lounge, honoring valor. The Lido Deck delights with the Carnival Seaside Theater and the iconic Red Frog Tiki Bar. Delightful dining choices. The ship offers an array of dining options, including Emerald's Bistro 717, known for Creole cuisine, seafood, and a raw bar. There's also Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse, Bonsai Sushi and Teppanyaki, Carnival Kitchen, and more. LNG powered for sustainability. The Carnival Jubilee continues the trend of LNG-powered ships, which reduce emissions compared to traditional fuels, contributing to a cleaner environment. Starting in December, the Carnival Jubilee will sail year-round from the port of Galveston, offering week-long cruises to the Western Caribbean. Destinations include Cozumel, Costa Maya, and Roatan's Mahogany Bay. If you enjoyed exploring the world of cruises with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all things cruise-related, from the latest news to 4K videos of cruise ships and excursions in the cities they visit.